one for you.
Okay, perfect.
Do you want it personalized? Sure. Great. What's your name? Mike. Mike, M-I-K?
Yep.
Love it. Awesome.
Derek just told me that there's a drive-in near him,
Like first
like
Friday,
close.
and I saw him here.
Yeah, a lot of names.
I'm
It's a big house.
That is awesome.
It is.
Thank you so much.
You work on 10
The two of us did together. Yeah. This is that's the original screenplay. Yeah.
You just got to tackle Freddie.
Well, I got Freddie at the end of this at least. So
Yeah.
at least I got that. So,
Right?
yep.
Just take up real estate. I take out a lease.
Yeah, man. I can't wait to see the Hearts of Darkness, too.
Oh, I'm so excited for you to see it. It's man. Really
Oh my god.
Did you get it off the comic book?
Yep.
Off the,
Yeah.
I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew I saw it. Like, that's the comic.
I knew, like, as soon as I was like, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it done.
Money.